Hey everyone, welcome back to Lands on Trains. This is episode 19 of my Building My HL Scale Diorama series. Today's video is a longer one because I'm adding a lot of small details that really start to tie everything together, especially in the forest area around the house and near the locomotive shed. I'll start with something that takes time, patience and repetition, adding more than 100 small bushes around or across different areas of the diorama. These bushes go almost everywhere, near the tracks, around the tunnel, inside the forest area, close to the house, and in places where the ground felt too clean or empty. The process stays simple but very repetitive. A small drop of glue, careful placement and a bit of adjustment so the bushes don't look too evenly spaced. Nature is messy and I'll try to recreate that randomness. My daughter is helping again, placing bushes next to mine and paying attention to how they blend with the surrounding scenery. Adding this many bushes really changes the overall look. The terrain starts to feel dense, overgrown and alive. For the next part of the video, I move on to something completely handmade. Wooden pallets and piles of wood. All of these pieces were made by me. The pallets were cut to size and assembled piece by piece, and the wood piles were tied together using the same sawdust material you saw in the previous episode when I was making the dry grass bushes. I placed these wooden elements around different locations, near the forest edge, next to the small house and close to the locomotive shed. Some of them are left natural while others are painted slightly to add variation and age. These details tell small stories, stored materials, leftover construction or supplies waiting to be used. Even without figures interacting with them so far, they help suggest activity and purpose. Once everything is glued down, I take a moment to adjust positions, make sure the pallets and wood piles feel grounded in the scenery. A bit of surrounding greenery helps blend them in so they don't look like they were just dropped onto the surface. These finishing touches are subtle but they make a big difference. For the rest of the video, I'll show some close-up shots of the bushes and wooden pallets and the wood piles at their final positions. This episode was all about the repetition and detail, adding lots of small elements that together create a much richer and more believable scene. I'm curious to know what you liked more in this episode, dense greenery or the handmade wooden details. And if you have suggestions on what I should add next, feel free to leave them in the comments. In the next episode, I'll continue building on this forest area, start adding even more layers of green and small details to push the realism even further. For now, thanks for watching Lands on Trains, and I'll see you in the next episode.